how to burn a range of subtitles to a video. To begin, I opened a subtitle and a video and I want to burn only a range of subtitle into video. Go to Video and click on Generate Video with Burn in Subtitle. In the opened window, select all the font, video, and audio options that you need. Next, check the checkbox next to Cut. In the From section, enter the time you want to be the start of your video, or click on the 3 dots button and choose the From position. I choose 7 seconds. Next, click on 3 dots below To Part, and select the To Part of the video, which I choose 19 seconds. So, I want my generated video to be 12 seconds. At last, click on Generate button and give it a name and save it. Now click on Open Containing Folder, and you can see that the video is only 12 seconds long. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.